Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to add a printer or a scanner in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar and type in printer. Okay, you'll come up with printer and scanners, and make sure your printer is connected and turned on your computer. So once you turned it on, just click on add a device. Okay, and this should detect a device. I don't have any printer connected now, so once your printer is connected and turned on, once you click this, it should display your printer right here. If not, you can just click on add manually, and you can go through the setup and you can add your printer. So it's a very simple process, guys, to add your printer. And if you have any other issues, any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it from me. Thanks for watching, folks.